So this is about the bloodline of Jesus Christ. It is also included in the series called Creation of Nibiru. So we have Jesus Christ bloodline, that is Anunnaki bloodline, and then we check the word dragon in Arabic. We know that Masih or Mashiach in Hebrew means something in the Semitic language, and we want to know what this means, Masih. So we write dragon in Arabic, and let's hear what it is called, dragon. How to say dragon in Arabic?
Taninu.
Tanin? One more time.
Taninu.
Taninu. How to say dragon? I provide
So
the
dragon
links.
in Arabic is tanin.
So we say taninu in Arabic. So what is a crocodile in Hebrew, and how to say it? See?
Crocodile. Tanin.
Tanin.
So crocodile.
Also in Hebrew, crocodile is tanin, while in Arabic, dragon is tanin.
So dragon and the crocodile is one and the same.
Taninu. Tanin.
So it's the same word. While crocodile is Hebrew, is tanin, and dragon is Arabic tanin. So we know that the dragon and the crocodile is one and the same. So how would you say wipe in Arabic? Wipe.
Masah.
Masah. It's also near to Masih.
So wipe
Masih.
is masah
So,
in Arabic. Near Masih or
How to
Mashiach.
say crocodile in Arabic? Let's see.
So crocodile in Hebrew is tanin,
Try this one.
and dragon in Arabic is tanin. Crocodile in Arabic is so crocodile in Arabic we want to know. We know that
This one.
crocodile in Hebrew is tanin.
Timsah.
See?
So crocodile in Arabic is timsah. From the word
Timsah.
Masah.
It's near Masih. Mashiach. So this is a story about the bloodline of Cain, who didn't kill his brother Abel, but his bloodline, his Anunnaki bloodline, was higher than his brother.
So Cain had a Anunnaki
That's why,
bloodline,
he
but
didn't
not
get
his
the mark,
brother,
didn't
because
get
he
the
was
curse,
from Enki. His father was
but,
Enki.
instead, he got this no hair on the face like the Native Americans.
So they
Indians,
cannot grow hair on their face.
and,
These are people
they
from the
don't grow
Cain.
hair on the face and stuff like that because they are ancestors. Their forefather is Cain. So we know that the bloodline of Cain is Anunnaki bloodline from his father Enki,
Yeah.
who
So it was not
had,
cursed, it
this,
was praised. The bloodline of Cain, he
creation
got
of
the
Cain
sign,
with,
he cannot grow a beard or
Eve.
mustache in the
So
face
Adam and Eve, they
or
got
excessive
sent
hair on the
Abel.
body as a
Did
sign
not get Cain.
of
So Cain
royalty.
got this mark. All his people will not grow hair, mustache, and beard on the face. So they have changed the story and stuff like that. So why Jesus Christ he have to have this bloodline of Cain? Because Cain is Anunnaki, and we know that Enki didn't create humans on his own, but he used other Anunnaki females to put the
So he mixed his sperm with the Homoercutus
genetics
in the egg, in the female of Homo erectus that was created by Marduk.
He did some changes.
When Marduk killed Kingu, the moon, and used the blood of the moon to create Homo erectus.
Video. Thanks for watching. Seth, the son of
So Seth is
Adam and Eve. He is the devil. He is Saturn.
Satan.
He is, Satan.
Saturn.
He is Shaitan in Shaitan in Hebrew. Shaitan in Arabic.
So I'll provide the link.
That, this set was in Egypt.
And I know this video will not get much views because nobody will accept this truth.
His brother.
But I must show it anyways because it's truth.
The night is who rubs
So I will make another part.
Of his strength and life.
Blessings.